Hello, my name is Ramon with DoorBird Technical Support. Today I have the pleasure of showcasing our new commercial and residential kits, which are going to include the D1101V door station and the A1101 indoor station. To accommodate multiple installation angles, the kits will include two adapters. The first is the angle corner wall mount adapter, and the second is the wedge corner wall mount adapter. These are going to be the different adapters shown here more closely. In this hands-on video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process, how to power up the units, how to connect them to the internet, and how to easily set them up in the DoorBird app. So let's begin with the D1101V door station. Inside the box, you'll find the unit pre-mounted in its housing, an optional power supply, an Ethernet adapter, a small parts bag, the installation manual, and you're also going to find the digital passport, which will include the credentials for the unit. To start, I'll use the included orange TR10 screwdriver to remove the housing so that I can access the back of the unit and prepare it for wiring. Next, I'll insert the Phoenix terminal. And now it's time to decide how we want to provide both power and data to the unit. The D1101V offers several options. You can use the included power supply to power the unit. When using the power supply, you have two choices for network connectivity. You can connect the unit to Wi-Fi, or you can use the included Ethernet adapter to connect directly to a router. Our recommended method is going to be PoE, which is power over Ethernet. This allows a single cable to deliver both power and data, making the installation cleaner and more efficient. If running new cabling to the unit isn't feasible, such as when retrofitting the DoorBird onto an existing setup, the A1072 wire converter is a great solution. This is going to allow you to reutilize existing wiring to provide both power and data over a pair of two wires. In this setup, we're going to connect it using our A1093 gigabyte PoE injector. Alright, we have connected the Ethernet adapter to the back of the unit. If you want to learn how to connect it, you can check the following diagram. We'll be using our A1093 gigabyte high PoE injector. We've already connected the power supply to a power outlet. The LAN-in port is going all the way to our router, and the LAN/PoE port is going to go all the way to our DoorBird. So I'm going to connect the cable. All right, and then this cable is going to go to our Ethernet adapter. Now I'm going to wait for the unit to power up. We know that the unit has powered up because there's illumination in the call button. So now we're going to wait for the diagnostic message.
Successfully connected to internet.
All right, now that the unit let us know that it's successfully connected to the internet, the next step is we're going to grab the digital passport and we're going to set it up in the DoorBird app. So I have my digital passport here. There's going to be two QR codes. The first QR code on the left is going to be to add the device to the app, while the QR code on the right is going to be to access the administration settings and program the unit. So I'm going to grab my tablet. So I'm going to open up my DoorBird app. It's going to let me know that we have not added any devices yet, so I'll select first installation. I'll press OK. Next, I'll press Add. And it's going to ask me for the username and password of the DoorBird. I'm going to press on the QR square on the right. That's going to open up my phone camera, and I'm just going to point it to the QR code on the left. That automatically entered the username and password for the device user, so I'll hit Save. Now I'm going to go to the live view. Perfect.